the industry has been treated as a transactional sector, an exchange of money for movement. We count arrivals, we chase revenues, we build for visibility. And there's nothing wrong with that. These are tangible performance measures because after all, tourism is a business. But when we regard tourism as mere product to be sold, its unique value proposition gets harder and harder to define. When tourism becomes purely transactional, we risk reducing communities to commodities. We risk turning culture into content, and we risk forgetting that behind every destination is a story, a soul, and a stewardship. In other words, we risk short-selling our destinations instead of cultivating relationships that ensure steadily growing market in step with our absorptive capacity to provide quality experience. The uncertainties of the times is an opportunity to challenge our thinking and reframe our questions, because we might just get a different and more substantive answers. What are we really building when we build tourism? What if tourism is not just an industry, but a movement of people, ideas, and possibilities, of dignity, of stewardship, and shared legacy? And what if tourism is actually a trust-building platform with destinations, not just places that tourists visit, but experiences they remember, return to, and advocate for, because what we share with them changes how they see our culture, our nature, and our people. Let us therefore revisit how we are building our tourism market and reimagine not just how we promote our destinations, but how we build tourism as shared mission, anchored on innovation, inclusivity, and collaboration. And today is a good time to remind ourselves what tourism should be all about by taking time to reflect on what it stands for. Tourism is the art of turning places into purpose. We've built brochures, not bridges. We've sold sunsets, but not stories.